Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The Zedge app is installed and you are signed in, and you know if the wallpaper was applied from Zedge or from your device settings. Once confirmed, open Zedge and go directly to the wallpaper you used. This locates the source file and settings. If you installed a live wallpaper, make sure the live plugin is visible in app options. Also, back up any custom images to avoid accidental loss before you remove anything. You continue by removing the wallpaper through the correct interface. If it was set in Zedge, open the wallpaper page, tap the three-dot menu, and choose Remove or Unset. This clears Zedge's reference. If the wallpaper came from System Settings, go to Settings, Wallpaper or Display, select a new image or the default, and apply it. For live wallpapers, open Live Wallpapers on your device and switch back to a static default. This frees resources and stops any background activity. You finish by cleaning up residual files and verifying removal. Go to App Info for Zedge, clear cache, and if needed, clear data to remove stored wallpaper files, then reboot your device to reset the display service. If the wallpaper still appears after reboot, uninstall Zedge and check internal storage or gallery for leftover image files to delete. If problems persist, make sure another wallpaper app is not restoring the image. Uninstall competing apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.